Coatings Tech Limited has developed a unique protective coating technology for the UK rail industry, COTECH Clear Coat Easy Clean, with the intention of enhancing and sustaining rolling stock to give optimum performance. Insects embedded in the front of the cab can be easily removed without the need for excessive cleaning or by using potentially harmful chemical cleaners. COTECH Clear Coat Easy Clean is applied by our partners Millennium Site Services, who are trusted and respected throughout the rail industry. Millennium Site Services are experts in the application of COTECH, having applied our coatings to numerous projects over many years. COTECH has rail engineering approval and attestation. COTECH Clear Coat will reduce cleaning requirements, improve vehicle appearance, and enable swift removal of graffiti from exterior and interior surfaces, which reduces any downtime.